I'm at the Pier Street level crossing in Altona, Victoria. Let's get straight into the first tour. Nice choppy start. We have an unmarked base, a Westinghouse gate mechanism, 6 Westinghouse LEDs on 2 Westinghouse Crossarms, a general signals e-bell, a Wishbone Gate and 3 Artcraft gate lights, a crossbuck, a black without writing stop and signal sign. Then the pedestrian crossing is 2 unmarked bases and 2 pedestrian Westinghouse gate mechanisms with flat gates. Now let's see the first activation. The lights above here are glitching, as you can see. Oh, not anymore. Bouncy gate. The Westinghouse pedestrian gate mechanism on the other side of the crossing doesn't seem to lower fully. Here we have an extra. And up go the gates in 3, 2, 1. There we go. And the pedestrian gate mechanisms are on a little bit of a delay. That would usually be good for a 2-gate crossing where the crossing might reactivate pretty soon after they deactivate. However, this is a 1-track line, so there definitely can't be that kind of situation. Alright, now on this side of the crossing, we have an unmarked base, a Westinghouse gate mechanism, 6 Westinghouse LEDs on 2 Westinghouse Crossarms, a general signals e-bell, a crossbuck, a Wishbone Gate and 3 Artcraft gate lights, black with white writing stop and signal sign too. The pedestrian gate has an unmarked base, Westinghouse pedestrian gate mechanism and a flat gate. Over there, another unmarked base, Westinghouse pedestrian gate mechanism and a flat gate. The signal on the other side of the road has an unmarked base, black with white writing stop and signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse crossarm, a crossbuck and a pole cap. Now let's see the activation. Gee, the relays on this crossing are shocking. First the glitching lights on the other side of the crossing, and now the side lights on this closest signal, and the gateless signal was glitching before too. It only seems to be before the gates lower though, which is a bit interesting. Seems as though there's a truck reversing behind me. It's kind of annoying. And there we go guys, that's the second activation. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next one.
You